Right. So this symbol denotes an if. Okay. Colon and then hyphen. This is for if. Comma is for and. Okay, we can describe a car. We can describe X is a car if X has 4 doors and X is the model of X is let's say Saga, but here we put a variable first, Saga, and then Saga is the model of Proton, and then lastly we can put brand. Okay, so this the combination of these facts will infer this is a car. Okay, so now we move on to, let's say we have for bike, right? Okay, this time is for motorcycle. So we can describe X is a motorcycle if X has none doors and then X is okay RSX, and then the brand is Yamaha. Okay, so Yamaha. Okay, so now we finish creating two facts. Okay. Actually, these facts also called as sorry, this is not fact, this is rule. We have created two rules. Okay, so these rules we can also represent it as, or we can call it as knowledge based representation. Okay, so this is the knowledge of your program. As of now, it can only detect Saga is a car and RXZ is a motorcycle as of now, because we only supply with these two rules only as of now lah. Okay, and then we make okay. In order to run the queries, we go over this shell. We call this as a shell, Prolog shell, and then let's say we type. Let's say we type motorcycle Saga. False. Okay. So let's say I type motorcycle RXZ 2, and then car. Is it Saga is a car? True. RXZ false. Okay. So as of now, your program has the knowledge, has the ability to differentiate between whether this model is a car or a motorcycle. So you can put more facts over here and infer another rule, set of rules. Let's say I put let's say we have, if we have another more cars to be created as rule, right? So what we need to do, just put another brand another brand, let's say Toyota. The sequence doesn't matter. The sequence doesn't matter. You can put in any sequence that you want. Saga, Toyota Corolla. Toyota has door, so Corolla has 4 doors. So in the rules part, we should also put the knowledge for Toyota. Okay, what happens if I don't put the rules for Toyota? A car, I put Corolla, right? Corolla. So it will show false because we haven't supplied the rules yet. Car has door 4 model. Toyota. And then you need to compile. It is either make or compile buffer. If make doesn't work, you try this one, compile buffer. Normally compile buffer works. Okay, car Corolla. Okay, again, car Corolla. Yes, true. Because we have supplied the rules. Okay, we have supplied the knowledge base to our program. Okay. So number 4A is complete. Identify vehicle type of vehicle. Okay, let's say you want to put let's say you want to put another rules, van. So based on the fact none of these can represent a van, right? So maybe Toyota has a van, right? Okay, model. We create another model. For example, Toyota van apa? Toyota Hiace. Hiace. Toyota. Then let's say van has 5 doors. Hiace. Okay, so for a van, X can be described as a van if it has 5 doors. For example, 5 doors. And then the brand is Toyota. Sorry, model is X is model of Toyota, and then the brand also Toyota. Okay, we try car Hiace. Supposed to be false. Yes, false. And then we put van. Is it Hiace is a van? Yes, true. Okay, so we have finished for A. Okay, identify between types of vehicle. We in our program now we can identify between a car, a van, and motorcycle. Okay, you want to put more, and then you put the facts first, and then create the rules based on the given facts. Okay, for B, suggest whether the vehicle is suited for family use. Okay, based on this fact, which one that we can pick that can be described as a vehicle that for family use. Family.
MPV.
Yes. Again. Mana? Kelas.
Soalan apa doktor tadi?
Soalan dia, suggest whether the vehicle is suited for family use. Develop a simple expert system using Prolog that can suggest whether the vehicle is suited for family use. Okay, whether vehicle tu sesuai untuk kegunaan family. Jadi yang mana satu daripada facts ni yang kita boleh ambil? Which fact that we can pick among all of these facts that we can put in
Has door.
as door? Which one?
Saga.
This one, Saga.
High ace boleh kak doktor?
Is okay, kita ambil Saga dulu. Okay. So for family use, one of it can be Saga, and then let's say another one, High Ace. Singleton. Oh, sorry. This one should be X.
Brand Toyota tu.
Yeah.
Dekat brand bawah tu brand Toyota.
Ah, okay, okay. Sorry Ini brand tadi Toyota. Now we test into the query. Is it High Ace can be used for, is suited for family use? False.
S door tu 5 doktor.
5. Okay. Okay, now should be correct. Okay, true. Okay, katakan kita masuk RXZ, sesuai tak? False. Katakan masuk apa lagi? Corolla. Okay. If we put X, okay, we put X, and then it will suggest all the vehicles that is well suited for family use. And then we press semicolon, press semicolon. Dia dah keluar Saga ni, after it appears Saga, and then we press semicolon. Okay, then it will display another one, which is High Ace. Okay, so for B done, suggest whether the vehicle is suited for family use. Okay, and then suggest the affordable vehicle, mampu milik. Okay, we create another rules. Affordable. Okay, what are the facts that can we we can pick among all of these facts? Affordable. Yang mana affordable?
Model Saga.
Okay, model Saga. This one replaced by X. Model X Proton. It should have 4 doors. And then brand. Okay, let's say just as of now we put Proton first. Right, affordable. Let's say we put Prolog. Ni tadi saya salah type. Affordable. Okay, false. Affordable. Saga. Okay. So kalau ada nak tambah lagi, create another rules lah. Okay, for affordable. Okay, last differentiate. Yes.
Betul.
Ya.
Kalau letak nama model je boleh tak?
Kalau nama model,
Kat roof dia tu letak model je, tak payah letak S-door ke boleh tak?
saya rasa boleh. Kita cuba dulu. Okay, boleh. Affordable. Saga. Ini boleh. Untuk family use ni pun mungkin boleh. Kalau model dengan brand ni. Okay, if we exclude model and brand also, I think we can. Because if we have one fact here, okay, it already defined that any vehicle that has 5 doors is well suited for family use. Okay, same like this one. Okay, so for the bull, maybe we can just rely on brand lah. Okay, kalau kita tahu Proton je, confirm harga murah. Okay, tapi mungkin kita kena letak, maybe we need to put additional reference if any additional fact. Let's say we want to differentiate whether affordable it can be also a motorbike, right? A motorcycle. So we put brand lah. Okay. Because if we put affordable, let's say I put RSI, which is by right, it is still affordable, right? Kecuali kalau yang jual apa, yang baru-baru ni 80,000 tu memang tak masuk akal lah. Affordable, subject false, okay. By right, a motorcycle is still affordable, right? Affordable. So if, let's say, if you want your program to have a wider knowledge in terms of the affordable rules, then you might need to put the model or brand. sorry, not model or brand, has door. Okay, has door. So this one has door. X4. So another one, maybe we want to list out RXZ as affordable too. Yamaha. Okay, so based on situation lah. Based on situation. Okay, true. Okay, just now we don't put door. Okay, only vehicle that has a brand Proton will be categorized as affordable. But now we combine it with has door. Okay, because we want to relate that RXZ is also affordable. We put another facts over here. Okay, so that one for C finish. Last one, differentiate between performance and non-performance car. Performance. Okay, mungkin maybe we need to put another brand lah. Kat sini semua mungkin tak performance sangat. Tak apa performance car.
Bugatti.
Bugatti. Okay, model apa Bugatti?
Chiron.
Je. Hash. CHI. Alright. Bugatti. Dua pintu kan? Chiron. So we add the fact. We add the rules for apa tadi? Performance. Performance kita ambil, we pick the model, right? Model. Okay, other than model. Okay, apart from model and brand, okay, has door, right? Has door. Okay, performance. Is it Saga is a performance car? False. Okay, true. Okay, now we have finished creating a simple expert system. Any questions? Sebelum ni siapa bagi tahu saya, Anim yang kata kena buat guna Prolog je, tak boleh buat guna tools lain. Anim, ada tak kat sini? On lah mic. Okay, ada soalan tak?
Doktor. kalau untuk nama variable tu macam X tu memang kena guna uppercase.
Untuk Prolog, okay, for Prolog, okay, if you want to define a variable, you need to use uppercase.
Oh.
If it is a constant, macam ni constant kan, a constant, a fixed name, a fixed variable, then you need to start with lowercase letter. Okay.
Okay, Doktor. Thank you.
Alright.
Doktor,
Yeah.
bahagian rules tu, kalau ada perkataan untuk or, macam model X Bugatti, lepas tu kita nak guna or, model daripada Corolla Toyota. Ataupun
Kalau
kena buat satu line baru kat untuk rules.
Saya suggest buat satu line baru macam ni. Macam affordable buat satu line baru. Tadi maksud awak tadi kalau katakan apa tadi Bugatti tadi tu kan. Bugatti ada dua model. Ada dua model, lepas tu kita nak combinekan dalam satu statement je macam tu ke?
Kalau macam tu boleh tak Doktor? Bugatti ada dua model, contoh satu Veyron, satu Chiron. Gabungkan satu line saja. Contohnya model X Bugatti, lepas tu dia akan betul juga kan?
Kalau macam tu kena guna or lah. Kalau or okay, kalau or guna semicolon. Semicolon is for or. Okay, tadi tak nak tambah apa model untuk Bugatti tadi? Kita try kita cuba. Kita tak tahu kereta mahal ni.
Veyron, Bugatti Veyron.
V-E-R-O-N.
V-E-Y-R-O-N.
V-E-Y-R-O-N. Okay. Cuba kita letak or. Boleh. Kita letak or kat sini. So how to read this? Is it if either Veyron or Bugatti is a performance car lah. Kat mana or dia? Kat sini ni. Or dia. Boleh faham? Jawab tak soalan ni? Saya menjawab soalan tak? Betul tak?
Yang model tu X model Veyron ke X model Bugatti tu ni?
X model Bugatti.
Oh, maksud dia macam tu, kalau ni kena pakai model yang lain kan Doktor? Contoh kalau pakai model Toyota, mesti akan betul tak?
Ya. Betul lah. Ni. Tadi tu saya letak apa tadi? Tadi kat sini sebelum Bugatti saya letak apa tadi?
Veyron.
Veyron ya.
Tapi rule tu doktor macam sama je.
Yang mana?
Yang first rule dengan yang second rule lepas O tu sama je. X Bugatti has two door kak. Lepas tu yang first pun Bugatti dengan two door kak. Kalau doktor tukar satu model untuk Toyota, satu model
Oh,
dekat
satu
O tu,
model untuk Toyota. Okey, okey. Toyota 4 doors lah. Sorry, saya tak perasan tadi yang kanan kiri sama. So kat sini kita dah declare Toyota and Bugatti is a type of performance car lah by using OR. Okay, either one of these would be a performance car lah. Instead of you put another rules, you create another rules for Toyota. That one also can lah. Like this one lah, family use it like this, right? If you prefer to use the OR method, then you can write a single sentence, okay, a one-line sentence, and then put OR over here, and then just copy the facts over here, and then paste over here, and then you have only one statement, one-line statement of rules. Okay, boleh?
boleh doktor faham.
Ada lagi soalan? Setakat ni dah start buat ke projek? Dah ada yang start buat dah? Ke belum mula lagi?
Belum doktor.
Oh, cik hantar dulu.
Okay, so pertama sekali awak kena cari, ini tip saya lah. Okay, for my tip is you try to find any real world use case. Macam ni lah kan. Ini salah satu contoh lah yang simple yang untuk for our lesson today. Try any example that can solve a real use case, a real situation. Okay, tapi untuk level awak janganlah sampai try cari yang susah-susah ke apa. Okay, lagi satu kelemahan Prolog ni, it cannot predict any new data. Let's say katakan let's say we have a Ferrari, right? Ferrari is actually a type of performance car. And then if we put Ferrari over here in the query part, okay, it cannot detect. It is it cannot identify, but it is actually a performance car. If you use something like a more complicated tools lah, as compared to Prolog, let's say MATLAB, the one that I've demonstrated last 2 weeks, that one can. Okay, if we use, let's say we use a neural network as our model, or we use SVM. Okay, and let's say we have trained the model using these rules. Okay, these rules, and then we give a new facts. Okay, that fact is a Ferrari. Ferrari, as we all know, Ferrari is a type of performance car, and then we supply it into the model, hoping that model can predict this Ferrari is actually a performance car. Okay. That one can be accomplished by using another tools lah, cannot by this Prolog. So Prolog only can infer result, can display result based on the knowledge base that you have created, based on the rules that you have created. If you have this one, apa rules 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we have 9 rules. So your program only only have this total of 9 rules. You can only test it with very limited very limited variables lah, as compared to the one that I have demonstrated last 2 weeks, where we can detect whether that particular image is a ball or a cat. Okay, so by supplying a new image of ball, it still can detect it is a ball, given that that ball has a different color, different backgrounds. Still it can detect a ball. However, last time when I test it with a ball, an animation of a ball, a ball with animation, okay, animation with graphic, it cannot detect, because we haven't trained the model to detect a ball which is in a form of animation. Okay, but if the ball has different background, different color, most probably it still can detect. But that is not the case for Prolog. Kalau Prolog ni memang itu ialah apa yang kita buat dalam rules ni, itu saja yang dia akan display. Okay. Ada apa-apa lagi soalan? Tanya ke? Untuk next,
saya nak tanya.
okey, boleh.
Tak silap saya, itu Dr. Azizul ada cakap kita boleh cari projek dekat macam contohnya GitHub kan. Jadi kalau kita orang buat macam tu, kita orang ada kena ubah apa-apa ke ataupun macam mana?
Oh, itu saya tak pasti. Awak kena tanya dia balik lah, sebab nanti awak kena present dengan dia kan, dengan Dr. Azizul. Takut nanti masa present nanti dia tanya, mungkin awak download daripada GitHub tu mungkin dah perfect, dah boleh run, dah working semua kan. Tapi nanti kalau dia tanya nanti mana part dia punya engine dia, mana rules dia, nanti kalau awak tak tahu nanti susah juga kan. So saya cadangkan, mungkin boleh awak download tu, tapi at least awak kena tahu lah. Awak kena tahu structure dia, kat mana dia punya facts dia, kat mana dia punya rules dia. And then seboleh-bolehnya awak ada ubah kuat sikit lah.
Maksudnya kita orang kena faham coding dia lah.
Faham coding dia, dan sebaik-baiknya pada saya lah, at least kalau tidak-tidaknya pun awak tambah dia punya rules ni lah. Kalau katakan kat GitHub tu ada rules tu kan, awak tambah rules dia, tambah fact dia. Okay, jadi dia punya knowledge base dia tu lagi besar lah. Dia cover a wide representation lah. Kalau macam ni ada 9 je kan, awak tambah lagi. Tu pendapat pada pandangan saya lah. Kalau nak lebih pasti, cuba tanya dia, sebab nanti dia yang akan bagi markah, dia yang akan nilai tu. Ni pada pandangan saya lah. Sekurang-kurangnya kena tahu dia punya codingnya tu, facts dia kat mana, where is the fact, where is the rules, and then at least you try to put additional facts and additional rules. Okay. Alright, ada apa-apa lagi nak tanya?
Doktor.
Ya.
Doktor pakai MacBook tapi buka Windows macam mana Doktor?
Ini lain-lain topik ni. Tak apa, saya boleh share. Ni saya pakai software namanya VMware. Awak boleh juga install dekat Windows. Kalau awak nak guna Linux kan, contoh. Awak nak guna Linux, awak nak run Linux tu dalam Windows. Okay, awak download ni, VMware. Google je, dia free. Google je.
Cuba Doktor masuk Doktor.
Lepas tu kalau nak tahu dia install lah, tengok YouTube. Berlambak ada. Okay, ada lagi nak tanya? Okay, kalau tak ada, kita habis setakat ni. InsyaAllah minggu depan saya cuba demonstrate untuk guna tools lain lah. Actually, I'm not really well versed in Prolog lah. Okay, honestly, I'm not very well in Prolog, because a lot of times I use MATLAB lah. MATLAB as tool for AI. So MATLAB is more easier for me lah, because it is a tool. It has a lot of predefined methods or function that I can use. Okay, instead of like this Prolog, right? I need to start from the scratch. Okay, I need to type from the start in order to create a simple expert system. Where that is not the case for MATLAB lah. MATLAB I can use all the predefined functions. Okay, so it's a bit easier lah as compared to Prolog. Okay, kalau tak ada apa-apa, okay, I defer our lab for today, and then we meet again next week, insyaAllah. Assalamualaikum and have a nice day.